Hello and welcome to a short course on programming. My name is Muhammad Akbar and I have skills and knowledge about businesses, finance, social studies, and I have some skills in programming, web development, databases, and MS Office. You can visit to my website at https://brightyou.org. You can send me in any email at info@brightyou.org. You can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter as well. Okay, to talk about computer programming, or which is also called computer programming languages. So as you know that HTML5, which is obviously not a computer programming language, CSS3 as well, and JavaScript, PHP, these are not computer programming language, but they are used as a front end and back end web development. But today we are not going to talk about any of these at all. What I want to just let you know that we are not studying computer programming or computer programming languages at all in this course right now, because we don't know about what programming actually is. So let's move forward and let's have some knowledge about programming. Okay. When we want to research for something for a word, we just ask from search engine, or we just visit online search website to have a definition or information about that word. So in here we were just asking a web search engine to give us a definition on program, and the second one is to have a definition on programming. So let's ask from Microsoft Bing.com and Google.com. These are two mostly used search engines right now. So let's dive in. I have in my web browser Microsoft Bing, or Bing and www.bing.com open here. So if I delete all this and again enter, we have this same page. And on the next tab, we have www.google.com. Okay, so at first we are searching about program. Okay, and hit enter. So, okay, maybe later. Okay, so we have got word from dictionary, which Microsoft Bing has given us here. And on the right side, we have from Wikipedia as well, which is very good for us. From dictionary side, we are getting two set of definitions. One is program to be used as noun, and second, the word program to be used as verb or action. Okay, so this is what most advanced dictionaries provide us nowadays. Okay, and first definition as a noun is that a program is a set of related measure or activities. Okay. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Let's read again. Program, a set of related measures or activities with a particular long-term aim. Okay, I think this is very clear for us, but still we have some confusion, or we might deep dive on the meaning of measures and activities. We know that any physical activities that we perform. Okay, measures might be activities plus any other precaution or planning or any other document that we want to make, whether on computer or by ourselves. Okay? But and as you are seeing that this this definition has two aspects or two parts. One that we have just studied, a set of related measures or activities. Okay, and the second second part is with a particular long-term aim. Okay, so here the word aim, which is interchangeably used as goal or objective. So we can talk to about this later on. We want to know what aim or goal is that we want to achieve. Okay, so in this definition, it has bounded us to go with this definition with a particular long-term aim. Okay? And we will while we study this and this definition more in our own slides, we will see that what actually this whole definition means. Okay? As an example, as you can see here, it has been given an extensive program of reforms. Okay, reforms is like giving a reforms to flood affected people, like providing them facilities, food, clothes, etc., or to help them to build houses as well. So this is just an example. And the second example, it has been given like the British nuclear program. Okay, um, so it is a very wide scope in this regards. Okay. Second definition that it has provided us, that it is as that a program is a series of coded software instructions. Okay, software instructions, and software is mostly used in computers and in machines. So in machines, so we are not studying right now about this is the second phase of like second paradigm of having a program on ourselves. But before the computer, we as a human, we might need to know what actually program is and what it is to achieve our aims, okay, or our goals. So yeah, the computer is all and machines we are using to achieve our goals or aims, but we are not studying them. Okay, so third definition is the program is a presentation or item on television or radio. Okay, so like it is like a drama serial, movie, or um, a radio program that especially one broadcast regularly between stated times. Okay, so uh, while these programs are broadcasted on television and radio, this definition is saying that there must be there must be a time for those broadcasting. Okay, so like there is an example, a nature program. Okay, a program about wildlife, about a documentary. So here are keywords as well. Okay, transmission, broadcast, production, show, present, and in the second definition, it is again program, software, routine, use, and in the first definition, we can say that program can be a scheme, a plan of action, initiative, etc. Okay, so let's go on to the second set of definition as a verb or as an action. So we can read the first definition as program. Program is to provide a computer or other machine. Okay, so it is in this definition is about a computer and machine. So this definition is saying that program means to provide a computer or other machine with coded instructions for the automatic performance of a task. Here, this definition is saying a task, but in the first definition as a noun, we have been given as an aim. Okay, so yeah, we have second word, which is not equal to goal, but we will explore more what is the difference between task, aim, or goal. Okay, so we need to complete a task, and here in this definition is through a machine or through a computer. Okay, and as an example, it is a simple matter to program the computer to recognize such symbol. Okay, and to recognize like what is the letter S means to the computer. It is as a human we know that it is a letter of sound, which starts with S as well. So for computer we are actually programming them. We are writing codes to the computer to recognize a symbol. Like what is a symbol 1, 2, 3? Those are also a symbol, or a Japanese symbol, or Korean language symbol, or any other language symbols, etc. So we have a lot of symbols all around us, and we want to let computer know that what does those symbol means. Okay, so it is like a computer software again, and don't bother about meaning of this definition right now. Okay, so let's dive into the second definition. Program is to arrange according to a plan or a schedule. Okay, so here it is again, where it is, yeah, the third definition, like stated times, broadcasting regularly between stated times. Okay, here it is that it is saying that we need to arrange something according to a plan or a schedule. We want to arrange an activity, which we have discussed in the first definition. We want to arrange an activity according to a plan or schedule. Okay? This is the um, third requirement of this program that we need to have in our mind. Okay, we need to remember. Okay, so we have an example for this. We learn how to program ourselves. Okay, we learn how to program our own lives. Okay, our own lives. I've just read it in hurry. So here it is saying that we as a human must learn about how to program our own lives. Okay, we just don't want to have automatic mode like every day, just waking up, having breakfast, go to school or go to office, and come back at home and have a dinner and just get sleep, and the next day repeat again. So this is like an automatic process. But here in this definition, it is saying that we shouldn't be that much automatic. So we must have to program our own lives, so that we want to have a relationship, we want to have health, good health, we want to have resources around us, we want to go for vacations, trips, etc., etc. Okay, and so similar meaning of in this regard is like arrange, organize, schedule, plan, map out, layout. I think there might be more. Timetable, line up, prearrange, slate. Okay, these are other words which might have their own meaning, but in this so we are not involved deep diving those words as well. Number 3, us. Okay, I don't know what us in this definition is doing, but it is like broadcast an item. Again, it might be broadcasting a program. I think the station does not program enough contemporary works. Yeah, and there might be a station which does not program enough for the contemporary works. Okay, so this is the definition of program which Microsoft Bing or Bing.com provided us. It is an extensive definition that we have learned through, and on the right hand side we have computer program according to wikipedia.com, and it is again computer program that we don't want to get involved right now. Okay, let's ask from google.com or from Google one example only, an extensive program of reforms, and here it has given us 2 examples. The second was the British nuclear power program, but in here it hasn't. Okay, and the second definition it has provided us that a series of coded software instruction to control the operation of a computer or other machine, like application, software, or piece of software, routine, instance, solution, etc., according to the computer world. But again, yeah, we have the same definition in Bing.com as well. In Google.com, okay, we don't have third definition in Google.com, but we have this like broadcasting of television or radio at stated times. Programming as a verb, according to Google.com, is to provide a computer or other machine with coded instruction for automatic performance of a task. So this is again the same definition which Bing.com has given us. And number 2, arrange according to a plan or schedule. We learn how to program our own lives. Okay, it is again the same definition. Third definition, broadcasting item, which Google.com hasn't given us. Okay, more if we scroll down, or I'm using mouse roller, but you can scroll down here as well. So if you scroll down, you can get more websites which give us the same or about the same definitions in different perspective, like broadcast, computer, okay, television, again a plan or system under which action may be taken towards a goal. Okay, it has given us this definition. This is very good definition, I think, from Merriam-Webster's or Merriam-Webster.com, and what Bing.com is given. Okay, it is from Merriam-Webster.com, again the same, but I think it has given us another definition, like definition number 2. It has been given definition number 3. Okay. So different search engines give you about different things, but most of them are always give us same results. Okay, so this is a computerhope.com, and it is given as program in relation with the computers. Collins dictionary, again, it is using computer program or computer words. We might have some videos on that. What is a program? But okay, so in this regards, we have done our online search or research about program or program may. Okay, coming back to our slide, what is definition of programming? Let's quickly search on this because I don't want to take your time too much. Okay, programming, first of all, here is an ad about online programming, Python programming. Python is a computer program, as most of us know, and we don't want to learn computer programs right now. And in the dictionary, it is saying that the process or activity of writing computer programs. Okay, it is saying that programming is the verb itself, but here in this dictionary it has been shown as a noun. I think there might be a bug in this dictionary, but anyhow, programming is a verb itself, and it is that verb has been presented as a noun here, like the process. The process is the noun of different activities. Okay, and or activity of writing computer program. Okay, so here it has been given us that when we want to use the programming, so our mind automatically switches to computer programs. But I agree, but not. Let's do not agree at this time because we do not want to go for the computer programming again. So the process, we just have to remember the process of something. Okay, or maybe we can say that the process of program. Okay, process of program. Like, let's go to the second definition: the process of scheduling something. Okay? Again, we have learned in our previous definition of program that we want to put something according to stated time. And here it is again talking about radio or television programs, okay, or programming of shows. But those are programmings, but still we do not want to touch them as well. Okay, so we have got this, the word process. Okay? And let's go ask. We do not have any dictionary here for programming because Google already knows that programming means computer programs or programming languages. Or what is programming? I think this website futurelearn.com is giving us something. Programming is creative sequence, running instructions in order, selection, making choices, repetition, doing the same thing more than once. Okay, so this is like the dissecting the word programming. Okay, and we will talk about this in more details as well. So let's go to bing.com, I think. So it has built-in Microsoft Bing.com here as well. So if you can, or just you have to type in your browser if you want, if you are using different browser. So Bing.com, you are directed to this website, Microsoft Bing's, and just I've just opened another tab. That is because I need this first definition of program. Okay, and we will come back and forth in these tabs to review what we have got so far and how can we understand program and programming more and more. Okay, at this time, let's have a break and see you in the next video. I'll be back. Thank you.